We all need protective glass over our iPhones unless we have very deep pockets and we can afford to buy a new one when the screen breaks. This one is made by KIWI Home, and it has a cool little slide cover over the front-facing camera. Now, before I continue with the rest of the video, I just want to point out that both the FBI and Edward Snowden have stated multiple times that you need to cover your webcam and your cell phone camera to prevent security or people spying on you or hacking into your phone. It's definitely worth doing. And so if you're going to put protective glass over your phone, you might as well get this one because it has that added layer of security and privacy for your camera. They sent me this and I was very excited to do a video because my existing glass is all cracked. So the timing was excellent. To put this on, you're going to have to remove the cover from your phone. You can buy this as a one piece or you can buy it with a set of two. It comes with a screen protector wipe and a dust cleaning cloth, as well as a little sticker, almost like a sticker. It's a very weak adhesive, but it's to dab up dust. And then this is the awesome part. It comes with this frame so that you align the glass perfectly without having to reposition. This is the best as far as putting these protective screens on. I've done a lot of them, and this is the first time I've seen this template. So first thing first, if you have protective glass already on, you're going to have to remove it. And you want to use a plastic spudger type tool. You can use a guitar pick or any very thin piece of plastic. You don't want to scratch your screen. And if you take it slowly, it should come off, hopefully in one piece or just a few large pieces, depending on the condition. Then we're going to give it a wipe down with this alcohol pad. This will remove any oils or anything that could interfere with the adhesive and just kind of give it a good cleaning. Then a wipe down with the cleaning cloth that they give you as well. This will dry off any water spots from the alcohol. And then finally, the dust collection type sticker. Peel that off and dab up any kind of dust particles that didn't come off from the wipe or the cloth, and just kind of move it around. It picks up any tiny thing without leaving residue of the sticker. Now we're going to place that template on the phone. This is not a cover. It just places around the frame of the phone so that you get perfect alignment of the glass. And then finally, the glass itself. You want to peel it off of this plastic backing very carefully. It does have some flex, but too much flex and you will crack it. So take your time and be very patient in this process. Finally, make sure that your phone is facing the right way with the camera up at the top. As you just lower one side down and let it fall into place, you'll see the adhesive begin to just slowly attach itself to the screen in a very cathartic way. It is so gratifying to watch this process happen. Perfect alignment. And then I did have a couple tiny bubbles on the edge that I just pushed out without an issue. But that is how easy it is to put this on. And then I'll show you the switch as it works once it's in place. So here it is. Here's the front-facing camera with the cover in place. Slide it over. It doesn't free slide. It moves back and forth with a little gentle push, but it stays locked in place when you push it. So that's nice. I was also happy to see that there's actually a speaker cover over the earpiece speaker to prevent any debris falling in. If you have an iPhone for any period of time, you'll know that that's kind of a trap for dust and lint. So that's a nice feature as well. So there you have it. I am very happy with the whole process, all of the tools. Thanks to KIWI Home for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. And I will put a link in the description below where you can pick up this perfect set. If you have an iPhone or any of their compatible models, it's worth picking this up because we all know nowadays there are people trying to get your information one way or another. So thanks for watching. Click subscribe and like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Have a great day. Bye.